clock natin, guys.
Give me money.
You want money? You buy toys?
Give me.
What color?
I want to be pink.
Pink? Here you go.
Oh, thank you.
What color?
I want yellow.
Oh, yellow. Very good choice. Again, last. What color?
Blue.
Blue. Very good. This one is tell Ninang Ninong Hana. Ninong auntie, I want blue money, okay? What color?
Red.
Red? This is small money. Okay, you need blue.
Papa.
Purple?
Yeah, this purple.
Okay, okay, you need purple.
Thank you.
You buy toys, okay?
Mommy. Mama, I need the money.
Yes.
Money.
Yummy. Wow, bye kay Yummy ha.
Papa.
Say thank
I
you.
want more.
You want more money?
Move.